DIY projects can sometimes be very time consuming, but don't worry, there are many projects that can make a big difference without spending too much time on it. Here are 10 DIY projects that you can finish fast. The first one is to install open shelves. Open shelving or floating shelves are a great way to display your gorgeous dishes you have collected over the years. It also forces you to get rid of clutter, and a great way to do it is by displacing nice bottles of oil and dressings. The second one is to update your hardware and clean them. You can replace your existing hardware on your kitchen cabinets yourself to bring new personality and style to your kitchen. The third one is to frame your fridge. Flank a traditional refrigerator with panels to create a clean profile and give it the appearance of a high-end, built-in model. The fourth is to swap out your sink. A sleek stainless steel kitchen sink and a shapely, single-handle faucet makes it a handsome yet hard-working pair. Installing a new kitchen sink is an excellent way to update the look of your outdated kitchen. The fifth one is to install under-cabinet lighting. Give your kitchen a warm glow and improve visibility while cooking by installing DIY under-cabinet lighting. It's easy to do, and really transforms the look of your kitchen, making it feel more modern by giving an instant upgrade. The seventh is to add storage and prep space with a floating kitchen island. If your kitchen didn't come with a prep area of your dreams, no worries. Purchase a simple rolling kitchen island that you can put out anytime you need more space to chop, and utilize it for additional storage space. The eighth one is to organize your pantry space with food bins. Adding functionality to the kitchen is great, and one of the best ways to do so is to organize all your pantry dry goods into separate, easy-to-access bins. You can buy them for cheap, or even make it yourself if you're up to the challenge. For instance, using separate bins for snacks, canned goods, grains, and pasta is an easy way to keep track of inventory and find things when you're trying to get dinner on a table in a hurry. The ninth one is to open your space. Do you want to add major value to your space? Knocking down a few walls is a great place to start. Creating an open concept floor plan, starting with the kitchen into the living room or dining room, is a very effective renovation that adds value to the homes. And 10th one, install a rack for pots and pans. If you want to increase your home's value, it's of the utmost importance that you reduce clutter wherever possible, especially in frequently used spaces like your kitchen. But there's an easy fix. You can install an overhead pot and pan rack. You can instantly make your space look more cohesive and earn some extra money when you're going to sell it. These are 10 simple but fast DIY projects that you can start at any time. If you have any recommendations of other projects, let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.